right, we are on day 4, so we're going to go back and revisit these 3 vocabulary terms. If you have that sheet of paper that you were working on Tuesday, you'll want to take that out because, as we mentioned in that video, we are going to complete the color words activity for all 6 of our vocabulary words this week. So if you need to pause the video and go locate that paper or find a new sheet of paper, you can do so at this time. All right, so let's take a look at the first example. I want you to close your eyes. And what do you think about when you hear the phrase lend a hand? And why? Can you associate this phrase with a color? Write one color word sentence for the idiom/phrase lend a hand. If you need to pause the video, please do so now. Moving right along, let's look at the second example. What do you think about when you hear the word permanent? Why? Go ahead and write one color word sentence using the word permanent. If you need to pause the video, please do that now. And the last example, we know that last word is temporary. So when you close your eyes, what do you think about when you hear that word temporary? And go ahead and write one color word sentence for the word temporary. All right, on Friday, I will have a link, an assignment submission tab where you can submit either a picture of your sheet of paper with your completed color words, or I will provide a Word document where you can type and upload that completed document. Great job today.